good day to all fellow seafarers. So once again, I'm si MaKinista Engineer Joseph Malaay. So our topic for today guys is about emergency diesel generator. So all crew must have an idea on how to start the emergency diesel generator, especially in critical situation. So today guys, I will show you on how to start the emergency generator through battery starting. So supposed to be we have two ways on how to start the emergency generator. So first way is to battery starting, and the second way is to spring loaded starting in manual mode. So for now, I will show you guys on how I start the emergency generator through battery starting. So let's do it.
Ito yung emergency diesel generator natin guys. Comments 200 kilowatts emergency diesel generator. So ayan. Check ko to palagi every week. Safety weekly check sa lahat ng accessories, sa lube oil, sa tank, sa cooling oil, cooling water, sa battery, and then sa tangke ng ating diesel. Ito yung diesel. Before you start the engine guys, the emergency diesel generator, make sure that the some tank lube oil level is in the correct level. This one. This is some tank dipstick. Check this level, and then the water cooling.
Check the level of our water cooling. See the side glass, the upper part, that one. So,
and third one is diesel tank. So this one is our tank diesel. So this is the level of our diesel tank. So ngayon ituturo ko sa inyo guys kung paano mag-start ng emergency diesel generator through battery starting. So ayan, unang-una guys, punta tayo sa emergency generator panel. So as you can see, may ano dito, mode select, auto at saka manual. So ngayon ang generator, emergency diesel generator natin is nasa auto. So kung mag-testing tayo na hindi makakapekto sa takbo ng ating makina, ilagay lang natin sa manual select mode para makatesting tayo ng emergency diesel generator through battery starting. This is the first step, and the second steps is punta tayo dito. From work mode, mayroon din itong selector from local to remote. So ngayon naka-remote tayo ngayon, lagyan natin sa local. Ayan. And then pagkatapos lagay sa local, pwede natin start yung engine. Ito, start. Yan. Dutin lang, takbo yung makina.
So after you stop, by pushing this red button, so put to remote control, work mode, and then go back to the control panel and select mode 2, auto, like that. See? So that's it guys on how to start emergency diesel generator by battery starting. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos, and don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Cebu MaKinista. So ayan guys, I hope that you learned from this video. So thank you so much.